Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn some idioms you can find in your living room. Number 1. Bring to the table. It means to offer or contribute something useful, such as skills, ideas, or resources. Example, she brings great communication skills to the table. Number 2. Turn the tables. It means to reverse a situation, gaining the advantage or control. Example, he turned the tables on his critics by proving them wrong. Number 3. Under the table. It means done secretly, often illegally or dishonestly. Example, the workers were paid under the table to avoid taxes. Number 4. Put your cards on the table. It means to be open and honest about your intentions or feelings. Example, let's put our cards on the table and talk about what we really want. Number 5. Sweep something under the rug. It means to hide or ignore a problem rather than dealing with it. Example, they swept the accounting error under the rug instead of fixing it. Number 6. Bring down the house. It means to receive loud applause or an enthusiastic response from an audience. Example, her singing brought down the house at the school concert. Number 7. Make your bed and lie in it. It means to face the consequences of your own actions. Example, he ignored the advice, now he has to make his bed and lie in it. Number 8. Table something. It means to postpone or set a discussion aside for later. Example, let's table this idea until we have more information. Number 9. Chair a meeting. It means to lead or preside over a meeting or committee. Example, Dr. Lane will chair the department meeting tomorrow. Number 10. Come to the table. It means to begin negotiations or discussions seriously and cooperatively. Example, after months of disputes, both sides finally came to the table. Great job today! Now you know some fun furniture-themed idioms. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.